So there's nothing we can do other than hit the statements on this one. Statement 1 tells us that if no additional students enter the class and 4 of the present students leave the class, there will be fewer than 20 students in the class. So we need to convert words into algebra here. So let's just say C equals the class. So class, 4 people leave. That will be fewer than 20. So that tells us that C minus 4 is less than 20, which tells us that C is less than 24. There are fewer than 24 people in the class to start with, but we need to know exactly how many are in the class. So statement 1 on its own will not be sufficient. We can cross off A as well as D. Statement 2 tells us that 4 additional students enter the class, C plus 4, and all of the present students in the class remain. There will be at least 27 students in the class, so that'll be greater than or equal to 27. We subtract both 4 from both sides. That tells us that C is greater than or equal to 23. That's an infinite range of numbers. It could be 1,000,000 people in the class. So statement 2 on its own is not enough to narrow things down. We get rid of B. If we use the 2 in conjunction, though, we know that C is less than 24, but in turn greater than or equal to 23. The only way for it to be greater than or equal to 23, it can't be greater than 23 because it would have to be 24. Students are measured as integers or as whole numbers, actually. So we can't have more than 23 but fewer than 24 students. The only option is if there are exactly 23 students in the class. The 2 statements together are sufficient to answer the question. Answer choice C.